Hi, in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to download Geometry Dash on PC. So, step one, go to any web browser and then search for BlueStack download. This one, tap this. Step two, what you're going to do is to simply click this download BlueStack here, and you will see a notification that it is starting to download. Step three, go to the search icon and then look for BlueStack. Click open, and you just have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Okay, so once done, step four, go to the search bar and then look for geometry dash. And then what you're going to do is to simply tap and then install. Okay, so step five, what you're going to do is to install this game on your PC. Now, you have to be aware that somehow you will encounter some problems like it's not compatible with your device or you're using an old version of your Android. So, what you're going to do here is to simply update your device, or you have to install or download other version of BlueStack, because maybe that is the reason why you encounter some problems installing or downloading Geometry Dash on PC. I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.